Np.Where for 2D array, manipulate whole rows. I want to rebuild the following logic with numpy broadcasting functions such as Np.Where. From a 2D array, check per row if the first element satisfies a condition. If the condition is true, then return the first 3 elements as a row, else the last 3 elements. A short new in form of a for loop, which I want to circumvent.
IAQ wants something like this.
If you want to use np.where, output, edit, slightly more concise version.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.